Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 9.3 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then we have to select the version. See here we have the 9.3. But if you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have the 22.04, 24.04, 24.10 and 25.04. So select the version from this list. Then it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle, then install it. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 510 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Open terminal. CD downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL server 9.3. It is tar file. We have to untar this file. tar-xf. Give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. We have successfully extracted ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. But before installing them, install the following dependencies: sudo apt install macapp -ipadec -utf8 libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Control L. ls. Now we have to install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Ignore these errors. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is active and running and it is enabled. Okay, Q to quit. Control L. Now verify the version of the. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for the root account. See, we have successfully installed MySQL server 9.3. You can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL server 9.3.0. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database and now create a database. Create database. Verify again. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. Use is the keyword to switch to database. See, database changed. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create a table and insert some data into this into that table. Create table. Now verify again. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So users, this won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. It is typo. Now verify again. See, we have created user David. Now exit from this MySQL and connect with the new user. New user name is David -p. Then provide the password of new user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So give that password. See, we have successfully connected. Verify the user. That is current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to the MySQL server with the user David. Okay. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start or restart MySQL server on Ubuntu 22.04. Control A, sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped 2 seconds ago. Quit. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is active and running. Quit. Now connect MySQL server. See, we are able to connect. Okay. If you want to restart, just give the restart here. Verify again. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Control A. So we have successfully installed MySQL server 9.3.0 on Ubuntu 22.04. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. Those are the most popular tools. Okay. Ls, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed rm star.deb. ls, remove this file also. rm mysql, give the tab, hit enter, ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 9.3 on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.